If you are designing the layout of a document but you don't have the final text, you can build the document using placeholder text. All you need to do is type in a special line of text. If you want random text, type the equal sign followed by RAND, open parentheses, then put in the number of paragraphs you want, followed by a comma, and then the number of lines that you want in each paragraph. Close the parentheses, hit the Enter key, and you'll see it automatically fills in random text based on the variables that you put in. Sometimes random text can be distracting. A nice alternative is to use random Latin text as a placeholder instead. So we can delete the text that we have here, and this time we can type in equals LOREM, open parentheses, the number of paragraphs you want, comma, the number of lines you want in each paragraph, close parentheses, and press Enter. This is a common technique used by designers. When you see a block of Latin text in a document, it's usually just a temporary placeholder.